Hey guys, this is Oliver from Tech Life. Today we're going to be looking at the Philips Series 5000 hair clipper. This is perfect for during Corona times. Okay guys, so here we have the box. So as you can see, 90 minutes work time, 2 years warranty. It has this trim and flow pro technology, which allows the hair just to get out of the way, which has been a problem with other hair clippers that I've tried. So yeah, really looking forward for this. Otherwise, they claim that the blades are self-sharpening. It's 100% washable. That's pretty cool. And it also has this really handy dial for adjusting the millimeters. So really cool. So yeah, let's just open the box and see what's inside. Okay guys, so this is everything that comes in the box. So we have the shaver itself. It looks really high quality, very ergonomic. It comes with this kind of blade here by default. You can turn it on here. It comes without charge out of the box. And you have a turbo button if you have extra thick hair. And I really like how you adjust the millimeters here. You just rotate this. Very nice clicking sound, very easy to read the millimeters. So this will be really useful. And we have from 3 millimeters the whole way up to 28. So that's pretty good range. And if you want a close-up of how this goes up and down, it goes like this. And if you're interested in a different type of like a higher end model, there's also another model where it has a touch button, and this is motorized, so also pretty smooth. But of course, you're gonna have to pay a little bit of an extra price. It uses the standard Philips adapter, which has been a bit of a pain in the past because some of them come with a very thick adapter here. In this case, I can see this is just standard European, so that's really nice to see. So yeah, so if you just look at accessories, we have a few different styles of cutters here. A little bit longer, a little bit shorter, and even shorter. We also get some scissors for like minor cutting. They're very small in size, so not as good as like a professional hairdresser one. And it also comes with this nice comb. And really nice to have in the box is this case, because when you have this many accessories, it's easy to lose it and so on. So it's nice to have it all organized. It's like very thin material, but it does the job. And it kind of becomes like a nice little square pouch. Apart from that, you get a bit of manuals, kind of how to clean it and so on, a bit about warranty, different millimeters you can choose. So with this one, you can even go down to 2 millimeters. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so that's what's in the box. So yeah, if you want to open it up to wash it, you just click this button. And you have to open this first. You click this button and then it opens. And then you can actually take this out and you can open this out and you can just wash it. It's completely waterproof, this area. And yeah, to charge, you simply plug it in like this. And then you get this green blinking light. Okay, so now that I tried the Philips 5000 hair cutter, I can say that I'm very impressed with it. I think it's a great product. It's really easy to adjust the height, and it has a very satisfying click. As you can see here, there's both one black mark from 3 millimeters to 15, and then there's another marker from 16 to 26. And that is the difference, you know, depending what head you add here. There's also the turbo button, but to be honest, we didn't really use it because my hair is not that thick and it has plenty of power just in the normal mode. Charging is pretty fast and it lasts like a long time. So I highly recommend this one here if you want to cut your hair at home. It's also really handy that in this kit you get this set. This one is really good. This one leaves a little bit to be desired, but it's very sharp and definitely does the job. But it's just the issue with this is that it's a bit thick here. So, you know, it doesn't really compare to like a proper bigger size scissors. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you guys on the next video.